Nestled between Ohisama Cafe Shop and the train station is a raw egg vending machine. Now, I don't know if the same people who own this cafe also owns the vending machine, but they claim that it serves fresh farm eggs, and there are 3 options: 6 for 240 yen, 12 for 350 yen, and 24 for 700 yen. I decided to go with the 240 yen option. Unfortunately, my poor Japanese was unable to inform me that they were all out. So I went for the 350 yen option, which is, just 12 eggs. And in no time, voila! Your farm fresh eggs are ready.